Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and today we'll be cooking some chicken curry with some coconut milk. Before we get started, I would like to ask everyone to please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up, and you can also leave like comments down below. So let me just show you my ingredients. Okay, this is my chicken, my potatoes. I'm using some green seasoning, some mustard hot sauce, all-purpose seasoning, curry, Indie curry. I'm using some jeera masala, some thyme, onion powder, paprika, and some garlic. Oh, and the coconut milk. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna mix my 1 spoon of curry powder with like half spoon of the masala. It's so hard to come out. And about half spoon of the jeera. Yeah. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put about 2 spoons of water in it to make it turn like a paste. And you're gonna stir it up together like this. Stir it up together like this. See how it turns like a paste? That's how you have to mix the curry. Okay, I already mixed my curry, so I'm gonna season up my chicken. This is the green seasoning. This is the mustard hot sauce. This is the all-purpose seasoning. Oh, finish. I'm gonna put some of the thyme in here. I'm gonna put my garlic cubes and the onion powder with the paprika. And you're gonna mix everything together. Okay, all my chicken is well marinated in the seasoning. So now I'm going to put the oil, throw some oil in my pot. About a teaspoon and a half. Sure that. Wow. And then I'm gonna put the curry paste that I mixed up earlier into the pot. So my curry paste is frying up in the oil. You keep stirring it so the curry can get burned. Smells nice. Okay, so my curry is being burnt in the oil there, so it's time to put the meat inside. So I'm gonna throw the chicken inside. And you stir it up. Stir it up like this. Yeah, so you just keep stirring it up till the chicken is mixed up with the curry. It's so hard to cook with one hand and flaming with one hand, but I'm trying. Okay, so you see my curry is frying down here. It's been here about 4 minutes, and then you can turn it over. Turn them over. Yeah, that's his towel. Yeah, you turn it over and you cover the pot so it can for about another 5 minutes. Oh my, just now I ran out of storage, so I had to delete something. Anyway, so my curry is cooking here, and I'm gonna put my potatoes now. Put my potatoes inside and stir them up. Okay, my potato already has been stirred up in the curry here, so I'm gonna put my coconut milk now. I'm just gonna use about half cup of coconut milk and mix it good with the chicken and the curry, and put a little bit of water. Put the remaining of my thyme and a cube, and we're gonna stir them up together, mix it up together here. I know it's looking white, but when it finishes boil down, you see how it gets. So leave it here to bubble for about 10 minutes. Cover your pot and we'll be back. Okay, my curry has been cooking for about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna lift it up and turn it. Now it's boiling down, so I have to cook more because the potato not finished as yet, so it still has to cook more. So we're gonna let it cook for another 10-15 minutes, but within that time you can open the pot and keep turning this and checking it as well. Alright, I already cooked my rice here, so you could either eat your curry with rice, or you could eat it with roti, or you could eat it with puri, but today I'm eating it with rice. So I'm gonna cover it down back here and let it continue to boil. Okay, I'm checking on my curry now after about 15 minutes, and it's still boiling here. If you want, within the 15 minutes and you see that your curry the water is drying down, you can add a little water as well. If your potato is not finished, or if your chicken is not finished, you can add a little water and cover it down back, and it's going to boil. I'm going to give my curry about 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to dish it out, and you guys will see the finished curry chicken with coconut milk. Okay, my curry is, ooh, look at the steam. My curry is finished now. And load on my pot, load on my stove, and you can see my curry is finished. I don't know if you guys can see with all this steam. My curry is finished, so I'm gonna turn off my pot and dish out my curry, and you guys will see. Okay guys, so this is the finished curry chicken with coconut milk. So I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, please subscribe to my channel, and also you can leave a comment down below as well. Okay, don't be shy. You can leave a comment down below. Oh, this is my big son food. This is my food, and this is my baby food, because we all are going out this morning. He's going to school and I'm going to work. But this is my finished curry here. So you guys should try this recipe and comment below how you guys' food came out and let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Stay blessed. Bye.